Welcome to an in-depth exploration of one of Africa's most fascinating creatures, the hippopotamus. From the savannas of the Serengeti to the lush rainforests of the Congo Basin, these colossal creatures have captivated our imaginations for centuries. Join us as we journey into the heart of Africa to unravel the secrets of these amphibious giants. From their unique physical traits to their complex social structures, let's dive into the world of hippos. Before we delve into the lives of these remarkable creatures, let us first understand where they fit within the grand tapestry of life. The hippopotamus, known scientifically as Hippopotamus amphibious, belongs to a distinct branch of the animal kingdom. They are members of the Mammalia class, sharing this prestigious group with a diverse array of creatures, from tiny shrews to the mighty elephants. Delving further into their lineage, we find them nestled within the order Artiodactyla, the even-toed ungulates. This places them in the company of pigs, deer and camels, united by their shared ancestry and the distinctive structure of their feet. Yet even among these relatives, the hippopotamus stands apart, a testament to the power of evolution to shape remarkable forms. Their family, Hippopotamidae, speaks of their unique heritage, a family they share with their smaller, more elusive cousin, the pygmy hippopotamus, Cheiropsis liberiensis. While similar in form, the pygmy hippopotamus has carved its own niche in the dense rainforests of West Africa. The hippopotamus is a creature of remarkable physical presence. Their sheer size is their most striking feature, with adult males reaching lengths of up to 4.5 meters, dwarfing even the largest of land predators. Their weight, often exceeding 1,500 kilograms, is a testament to their massive bone structure and dense musculature. Their bodies, shaped like giant barrels, are perfectly adapted for their semi-aquatic lifestyle. A thick layer of subcutaneous fat provides buoyancy, allowing them to float effortlessly in the water. Their skin, while appearing smooth from a distance, is surprisingly tough and leathery, offering protection from the sun's harsh rays and the abrasive riverbeds they inhabit. Their heads, massive and somewhat flattened, are home to a formidable set of teeth, including tusks that can reach lengths of over 50 centimeters. These tusks, more prominent in males, are formidable weapons used in displays of dominance and territorial disputes. Their eyes, small and beady, are strategically positioned high on their skulls, allowing them to observe their surroundings while remaining largely submerged. Beneath the surface, their limbs, though short and stout, are surprisingly powerful, propelling them through the water with surprising agility. The African continent, a tapestry of diverse ecosystems, serves as the ancestral home of the hippopotamus. Their distribution, once far more extensive, now primarily encompasses the sub-Saharan regions where suitable habitats remain. The common hippopotamus, the larger of the two species, favors the slow-moving rivers, lakes and swamps that dot the African landscape. These freshwater havens provide the perfect combination of sustenance and refuge, allowing hippos to thrive despite the challenges of their environment. The Nile River, snaking its way through the heart of Africa, serves as a vital artery for these creatures, its banks teeming with life. Here, amidst papyrus reeds and acacia trees, hippos gather in their pods, their presence shaping the very fabric of the ecosystem. Further south, the Zambezi River, with its thunderous Victoria Falls, provides another crucial stronghold. These powerful waterways, fed by seasonal rains, offer a lifeline to hippos, ensuring their survival even during periods of drought. The Great Lakes of East Africa, from Lake Victoria to Lake Tanganyika, also harbor significant hippo populations. These vast bodies of water, teeming with fish and aquatic vegetation, provide ample sustenance, allowing hippos to grow to impressive sizes. Despite their imposing size and formidable teeth, the hippopotamus is surprisingly a herbivore. Their diet consists primarily of terrestrial grasses, which they graze upon during their nightly forays onto land. Under the cover of darkness, these gentle giants emerge from their watery abodes, their massive forms lumbering across the landscape in search of sustenance. Their broad muzzles and strong lips are perfectly adapted for cropping large quantities of grass, their powerful molars grinding the tough vegetation with ease. An adult hippopotamus can consume up to 40 kilograms of grass in a single night, a testament to their voracious appetites. While grass forms the cornerstone of their diet, they are not averse to supplementing their meals with aquatic plants. Water lilies, reeds, and other submerged vegetation provide additional nutrients, adding variety to their otherwise grass-heavy diet. Their digestive systems, specially adapted to break down plant matter, are remarkably efficient. Their large stomachs with multiple compartments house a complex community of microorganisms that aid in the fermentation and digestion of cellulose. Interestingly, despite their size and the volume of food they consume, hippos have a relatively low metabolic rate. The language of giants' social structures and communication. Beneath the surface of their placid demeanor lies a complex social structure, a hidden world of communication and interaction that governs their daily lives. Hippos are highly social animals living in groups known as pods, which can range in size from a few individuals to several dozen. These pods, often led by a dominant male, provide a sense of security and social cohesion, allowing hippos to thrive in their often challenging environment. Communication plays a vital role in maintaining order within these social groups. Vocalizations, ranging from grunts and bellows to high-pitched whistles, convey a surprising array of information, from warnings of danger to assertions of dominance. Body language is equally important, with subtle postures and gestures conveying a wealth of meaning. Yawns, far from being signs of boredom, are often displays of aggression, revealing formidable sets of teeth as a warning to rivals. Dominant males, easily identifiable by their size and scarred hides, rule over their pods with an iron fist. They fiercely defend their territories, engaging in ritualized displays of strength and aggression to deter rivals. These displays, often involving head-butting, jaw wrestling and dung spraying, can be quite spectacular. Females, while smaller than males, are by no means submissive. The circle of life, reproduction and calf rearing. The rainy season in Africa brings renewal, turning parched landscapes lush and green. For hippos, this marks the breeding season, filled with courtship and competition. The abundance of food leads to a surge in reproductive activity. Males become aggressive, displaying dominance to secure mating rights. Pregnant females seek secluded areas to give birth. After 8 months, a single calf is born, usually underwater. Mothers fiercely protect and nurse their young. Calves quickly learn to swim, mimicking their mothers. A world of giants under threat, predators and conservation. In the wilds of Africa, where survival is a daily struggle, even a creature as formidable as the hippopotamus faces threats. While adult hippos have few natural predators, their young are vulnerable to the stealthy hunters of the African night. Crocodiles, lurking beneath the surface of the water, pose a constant threat to unwary calves. Their powerful jaws and lightning-fast reflexes make them formidable adversaries, capable of snatching a young hippopotamus before its mother can react. Lions, the apex predators of the African savanna, also occasionally prey on young hippos, particularly during times of drought when other prey is scarce. Their coordinated hunting strategies and powerful builds allow them to overpower even a large calf, though such hunts are not without risk. Hyenas, opportunistic scavengers with powerful jaws and an unerring sense of smell, also pose a threat to young and vulnerable hippos. While they rarely attack healthy calves, they will readily scavenge on carcasses or target individuals that are weak or injured. However, the greatest threat to the survival of the hippopotamus comes not from the fangs and claws of predators, but from the actions of humans. Habitat loss, driven by deforestation, agriculture, and human encroachment, is shrinking the available space for hippos to thrive. Pollution from industrial runoff and agricultural chemicals contaminates their waterways, poisoning their food sources and threatening their health. Guardians of the river, a future for hippos. As we conclude our journey into the world of the hippopotamus, we are left with a profound sense of awe and respect for these remarkable creatures. Their sheer size, their surprising agility, and their complex social lives make them a truly captivating species. Yet, as we have seen, their future is far from certain. The challenges they face, from habitat loss to human conflict, are significant and require our urgent attention. The time to act is now, to ensure that these gentle giants continue to grace the rivers and lakes of Africa for generations to come.